Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. This is virtual class of Pakistan International School Taif. I am Miss Busha Tanveer. This is Pakistan Studies class for grade 8. This is our 12th video of this class. In this video, we shall study chapter number 1 from Pakistan Studies book. Dear students, after today's lesson, you will be able to understand the text given in chapter 1. You will also be able to do the short question answer from this chapter. Dear students, this is the book which we are going to start today. Before starting this book, I am going to show you your paper pattern. Then we shall start first lesson from this book. Dear students, this is the paper pattern of Pakistan Studies SSC 1. Section A, 10 marks. In section A, multiple choice questions are given over there. And in this section, total marks are 10. It means that 10 MCQs will be in section 1. And each MCQ carries 1 mark. So the total marks for section A are 10. Dear students, this is the Pakistan Studies paper in Urdu, and this paper is for those students who are studying Pakistan study in Urdu. Now come to the section B. In section B, there are 11 questions and you have to attempt any 8 questions from this section, and each question carries 3 marks. So for the 8 marks, the total answer question for each 3 marks for each question. So the total marks for section B are 24. Now come to the section C. Total questions in section C are 3. You have to attempt any 2 questions from this section, and each question carries 8 marks. And in section C, the total marks are 16. So in Pakistan Studies paper, the total marks for these 3 sections, section A, section B and section C, are 50. It means that the total marks for Pakistan Studies papers are 50. This is the book of Pakistan Studies. I have already shown you this book. Dear students, now we shall start chapter 1. The heading of this chapter, Ideological Basis of Pakistan. Pakistan came into existence on 14th of August 1947. During the 20th century, many nations got freedom and many free and independent states emerged on the map of the world. Pakistan is also one of those countries, but the foundation of Pakistan was altogether unique and unprecedented. Most of the countries got freedom on racial, linguistic or territorial basis. Pakistan is the only country which came into being on the basis of a strong ideology. The basis of the ideology of Pakistan lies in the religion of Islam, which provides guidance to the Muslims in every sphere of life. Islamic way of living encompasses all aspects of human life. It has basic principles which reference to social, moral, political, religious and economic fields. Dear students, Now the explanation of this paragraph. First of all, is given over there that the Pakistan came into existence on 14 August 1947 during the 20th century, and Pakistan is only the country which came into being on the basis of strong ideology. So what are the bases of ideology of Pakistan? The basis of ideology of Pakistan lies in the religion of Islam, which provides guidance to the Muslims in every sphere of life. It means that the base of Pakistan is on the religion of Islam, and its basic principle with reference to social, moral, political, religious and economic fields. It means that all the aspects of human life are discussed in Islam, and Islamic way of living encompasses all aspects of human life. So it means that Islam is the complete code for the Muslims, and our country Pakistan is based on Islam. Yes, students, now the next subheading, ideology. The Urdu word Nazariya is known as ideology in English. Ideology means such a plan or program as is based upon philosophy and application to solve political, social and cultural issues and problems according to the definitions given in the World Encyclopedia. Ideology is a set of political and cultural principles on which a nation or civilization is based. In the words of George Bryce, any plan or program of common life based upon thinking and philosophy is called ideology. Yes, students, ideology is the name given to a set of ideas, ideals and beliefs that are particular to a group of people and also guide them. The next subheading is sources of ideology. Following elements leads to the formation of an ideology among people. The first, common religion. Religion is not only a set of adoration, worship, but it has profound impacts on the whole of the social life. Every religion maintains social relationships in the light of specific ideas. For example, European, the Japanese, Hindus and the Muslims want to lead their lives according to their religions respectively. The next subheading, common race. Common ideas are originated from common race. A common race gives birth to common ideas. It is quite natural that people belonging to the same race developed the sentiments of sympathy and brotherhood for each other. Racism is a strong bond which, because of common ideas, binds the human being in blood-like relationship. Yes, students, as you know that in the different communities or in the different countries, the people have the different religion. As you know that in the European, they have to follow the religion of Christianity. Japanese, they follow the religion of Buddhism. And Hindus, they follow the religion of Hinduism. And as we know that we are the Muslim and we follow our religion Islam. It means that in each and every religion, the person have to maintain social relationships, and most of the things are common in all the religions. And it is quite natural that people belonging to the same race develop the sentiments of sympathy and brotherhood for each other. It means that the relationship of the brotherhood and the strong bond, all these things are the common in all the religion. Dear students, now the third subheading, common language and residency. Language is the mean of conveying the feelings, sentiments and thoughts to others. These help to form new ideas. Similarities in the way of living and harmony in ideas depend mostly on the common territory. Common political purposes. Because of common political purposes and the political ideas, most of the nations of the present age try to achieve political freedom for the survival of their national life, so that they may become a strong nation. So the common language and residency means that through the language we can convey the feelings, sentiments and the thoughts to other people, and also from the language we have to develop the new ideas. And similarities in the way of living and harmony in the ideas depend mostly on the common territory. And the common political purposes. Most of the nations of the present age try to achieve political freedom for the survival of their national life, so that they may become a strong nation. Common customs have played a vital role in the formation and development of ideas in every age. Common customs creates ideological harmony with respect to culture and thoughts. Dear students, now the next subheading, significance of ideology. Man has been sent to this world with some purpose. Purposeless life never gets success. The existence of nation is reflected through their ideas. Ideas create consciousness of purpose among nations. These ideas lead the nations towards success. Ideas provide the foundation to any political, economic, social or cultural movement. Ideas are the axis around which life revolves. It is second name of the motivating force. Ideas provide discipline to various aspects of human life. Ideas also determine the national duties and rights. Idea is just like something which is invisible, but the nation look live and dynamic because of it. If a nation ignores its ideas, it endangers its existence, and some new ideas try to merge this nation and changes in identity. Dear students, the ideas, man has been sent to this world with some purpose. It means that our life is not purposeless, and Allah sent the man in this world, and also we have given some responsibilities, and ideas provide the foundation to any political, social and cultural movement, and also ideas are the axis around which life revolves. Dear students, now the next subheading is meanings of the ideology of Pakistan. Pakistan is an ideological state. It is based on a specific philosophy of life. Its basis is the religion of Islam. This religion has been in practice for centuries. This is the basis that caused the movement of Pakistan. The ideology of Pakistan means ideology of Islam. No doubt, the Islamic ideology is the foundation of the ideology of Pakistan. The Muslims ruled the subcontinent for centuries. They continued living freely according to the teaching of their religion. The establishment of British rule caused harm to the free status of the Muslims and Islam. Dear students, the ideology of Pakistan and the Islamic ideology are having the same meaning. No doubt, the Islamic ideology is the foundation of ideology of Pakistan. It means that we can say that the ideology of Pakistan was the consciousness of the Muslims in the historical perspective of the South Asian subcontinent, that they were a separate nation on the basis of Islamic ideology. Dear students, the establishment of British rule caused harm to the free status of Muslim and Islam. During their reign, the Muslims were oppressed. When British rule was near its end, it was evident that the Hindu majority government will be formed in the subcontinent. It was feared that after getting rid of the temporary slavery of British, the Muslims will become permanent slave of the Hindus. So the Muslim dignitaries means that the Muslim leaders Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Allama Iqbal, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah started their efforts for the security of the dignity and the freedom of the Muslim community in the subcontinent. As a result of these dignified personality, Pakistan came into being. Dear students, now the next subheading is definition of the ideology of Pakistan. If we keep the definition of ideology in view, we can easily understand the meaning of the ideology of Pakistan. The ideology of Pakistan is the same of creating a society based on the principles of Quran and Sunnah. The ideology of Pakistan is the name of practicing the principles of Islam. It is also the name of a thinking to get the laboratory to test these principles. The ideology of Pakistan is the name of steps that were taken for the security of political, social, cultural, and economic values of Muslims. The ideology of Pakistan is the name of practical efforts for establishing the rule of Islam and strengthening the unity among the Muslims without losing the national or Milli identity. The ideology of Pakistan is the name of welfare state where the welfare of the people is considered. Dear students, Pakistan came into being on the basis of strong ideology. The basis of ideology of Pakistan is Islam that guides Muslims in all fields of life. Islamic system comprises the fundamental principles of sociology, ethics, politics, religion. The guidance is provided in the light of the teaching of the Holy Quran and the saying of the Holy Prophet. This system became the base of our beloved Pakistan. Dear students, ideology of Islam, in fact the ideology of Pakistan. And most of the leaders, just like Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Allama Iqbal, and the great personalities, cared this plant. They desired to develop the social, economic, ethical, and cultural system, Islam in matter and spirit. Their dream became true after years of struggle and sacrifice. Dear students, now we shall see the question answer from the exercise. What is meant by the ideology of Pakistan? Pakistan is an ideological state. It is based on a specific philosophy of life. Its basis is the religion of Islam. This religion has been in practice for centuries. This is the basis that caused the movement of Pakistan. The ideology of Pakistan means ideology of Islam. No doubt, the Islamic ideology is the foundation of the ideology of Pakistan. Students, now the next short question. What is meant by the ideology? The answer of this question is, ideology means such a plan or program as is based upon philosophy and application to solve political, social, and cultural issues and problems. In the word of George Brass, any plan or program of common life based upon thinking and philosophy is called ideology. Students, now the homework. Learn and write short question answers which are done today. See you in the next video. Goodbye.